Hello, I'm in a 2015 Chevy Suburban, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your display settings between night or day, or have the auto turned on. So first you want to make sure your vehicle's on, and then this is the factory display. It'd be different process if you've got an aftermarket radio installed or something like that. But from here, from your home screen, go to settings. You can use this to scroll around, or the touchscreen, and then this menu's an enter, and then this back if you need to go back. But anyways, we're going to settings, and then scroll to display, push enter, and then you can just turn the whole display off if you want, or on. And then here in mode, it's on night there. You can switch it to day, or auto mode where it'll do it based off of your clock times and sensors. But that's it. And then just auto changes based on which you have checked. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day.